In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use voice chat in Arc Raiders. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings right here, as you can see, and then you're going to go into audio. So the first thing right here, output mode. So make sure that you have either your headphones, if you use your headphones, or system default here, as you can see. I have this always set to stereo/headphones because I use headphones myself when I play. And then you're just going to scroll down here and make sure that your party voice chat and the proximity voice chat, that it's not too low here, of course. Then enable voice chat. Make sure that this one is set to on. And in here, I like to have this one open microphone. Oh, sorry, I like to have this one actually push to talk. Proximity chat, we can also have push to talk. And yeah, also you can have it actually open microphone. That means that everybody will be able to hear you basically. You don't have to push anything to talk, if that makes sense. And yeah, when you enable it, then you will be able to actually use voice chat on your own Arc Raiders basically. So that is exactly how to use it.